ActivInspire's camera tool allows you to easily adapt in the moment to meet your students' needs. You may have the camera tool on your main toolbar, but if not, no worries. Simply go to Tools and select Camera. You'll see there are actually several camera options. We will just look at one, but I encourage you to play with each of them. Now let's say we're in class and we want to take a closer look at the countries in Southern Africa. I can go to my camera tool and select Area Snapshot. Now notice you can move this camera snapshot menu out of the way. And you can move the area simply by dragging it. Use the sizing handles to resize the area you would like to capture, or you can also type the dimensions into the menu. After you've selected your area, you need to decide where you would like it to go next. I will add this image to a new page. I have my new page, and now I can use this image as I would with any other object in ActivInspire. My students and I can now use the annotation tools to go more in depth.